Managing a wastewater plant or lift station is no easy task, especially when it comes to malodors. Complaints from neighbors and even fines can stack up quickly, so make sure you fight back on tough smells with State FreshZone. State FreshZone is an advanced odor eliminator system built for the toughest industrial and commercial environments. Its highly concentrated formula contains a specialized additive that targets and neutralizes odors from decomposing organic material, such as rotting waste or sewage, rather than simply masking them. FreshZone is also available in appealing fragrance options. It can be used through a mechanical fogger for larger area applications. To use, mix with water and spray as a mist or fog through State's FreshZone equipment. Do not use it through a heat or thermal fogger. From trash chutes and transfer stations to wastewater facilities and rendering plants, State FreshZone delivers consistent, high-strength odor control. Whether used in concentrate for large-scale operations or as a ready-to-use solution where water access is limited, it is engineered to tackle even the most challenging odor problems. If you're ready to eliminate malodors from your facility, visit www.stateindustrial.com to look for State FreshZone and more.